This device right here is the Port Gemini. So we have a Gemini and a Gemini Mini. This right here is the bigger of the two devices. As you can see, master keyway right here, pin code associated with it. It is in a lock state. So right now, not able to unlock. Now I come into the app. I see Port Gemini. I'm able to scroll, access, lock, check battery life, and generate passcode. But for what we're going to do right now, we'll just hit unlock on the mobile device. And it will unlock. So now this device is able to open up. Now if you want to lock it through your mobile device, you'd scroll right, hit lock, and you have unlocked. The next thing we'll do is show you how to unlock and lock using PIN code. So this device has a preset PIN code on it. We do have optionality that property management can reset the PIN or allow for the resident to reset the PIN. But for this, we will type in 1, 2, 3, 4, unlock. Now able to open the unit. And to lock it back up using the PIN pad, you'll just hold this lock button at the bottom right.